Hey guys, what's up? I'm Queen and welcome to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 5. I didn't post a video yesterday because it was my birthday and I don't know, time just flew. But today we're going to be talking about lighting. 3 different types of lighting to consider when designing a space, and just 3 different types of lighting which are important in interior design. First and foremost, what is lighting? Lighting is a deliberate use of light to achieve a practical or aesthetic feel. Lighting can be natural lighting or aesthetic lighting. So we know that those are 2 main sources of light. We all know that lighting is important in interior and architecture. That's why we have things like windows, doors, and skylights. But it doesn't only have to be functional, and that's what leads to the aesthetic side of lighting. And in this case, we're going to be focusing more on the artificial lighting. So there are three types of lighting, and depending on the amount of lighting the fixture produces, that's how it can be allocated into these 3 categories, which are task lighting, accent lighting, and ambient lighting. So task lighting, what is task lighting? Task lighting produces the most lighting. So it is mostly functional rather than aesthetic. That can be your basic ceiling light, but it can be a little bit aesthetic because you can choose to go with a more design kind of lighting. It is a lighting that you use to read, to work, to just walk around the house at night, walk around the warehouse at night, and yeah, that is task lighting. Lighting number 2 is accent lighting. Accent lighting is used mostly for aesthetics, therefore to decorate things and to highlight things. So those are your wall lights, your lights to accentuate your art, the light to accentuate your plants, and they can also be floor lights. The third light we're going to discuss today is general or ambient lighting. So general or ambient lighting basically falls between these 2 categories because it is mostly for functional, but it's more of the accent lighting because it only focuses on one particular area. So those kind of lightings can be like lighting for your parking, or they can be lighting as in like your bulkhead, those LED lights that you put in a bulkhead, but they still a primary light surrounding those lights. So yeah, those are 3 types of lighting: accent, task, and ambient lighting. They work hand in hand. Most often than not, you're going to be required to use all of them. And yeah, lighting is one of those features that really have an impact on an interior space. They can also add character to the space. Lighting is one of those key features that can really make or break a space because it adds so much character and can tell such a beautiful story of what the room represents or what it is all about. So yeah, you guys, that is our little lesson for today on Vlogmas day 5. I love this challenge because the videos are so quick, so short, straight to the point, but also very informative. Let me know down below what you would like for me to talk about next time. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also hit that notification bell. Give this video a like if you liked it. And yeah, just drop down your comments. Let me know what you think. Give me your suggestions. Let's have a discussion. Yeah, and yeah, you guys, from me to you, thank you so much for tuning into my video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.